otherwise go unnoticed. This leads to more effective inspections and ultimately safer bridges. It's clear that AI is not just an incremental improvement in bridge inspection and maintenance. It's a game changer. It's a technology that's paving the way for a future where bridges are safer, maintenance is more efficient, and infrastructure is more resilient. With AI, the future of bridge inspection and maintenance looks brighter than ever. So what are the key points to remember about AI-powered bridge inspection and maintenance? Firstly, it's all about precision. AI systems can assess thousands of data points in a blink, offering unparalleled accuracy. They can spot minuscule cracks, corrosion, and other structural issues that might escape the human eye. This improved accuracy can prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems that jeopardize bridge safety. Secondly, AI brings cost-effectiveness to the table. By automating routine inspections and maintenance tasks, AI reduces the need for manual labor, cutting down on costs. Plus, by detecting potential issues early on, it can save vast sums that would otherwise be spent on major repairs or even bridge replacements. Thirdly, AI boosts efficiency. It can analyze and process data at lightning speed, making the inspection and maintenance process quicker and more streamlined. This means less downtime for bridges, minimizing disruption to traffic and local communities. Moreover, AI has the power to revolutionize infrastructure planning and maintenance. By predicting potential issues before they arise, AI can help planners design more resilient structures and maintenance teams to schedule preventative maintenance, thereby extending the lifespan of our bridges. In the future, we could see AI systems working hand in hand with drones, robots, and other technologies, conducting inspections, performing maintenance tasks, and even repairing bridges, all without human intervention. AI offers a smarter, safer, and more reliable solution for bridge inspection and maintenance, ensuring our bridges stay strong and safe.